Sphero Bolt, our newest addition to our codable robots collection. The Sphero Bolt allows you to embed code, draw, and use block coding. You can use script code or drive. Here we're using Sphero EDU to use block coding, which can be done on any device. You can also do script code, so if you're an advanced programmer, you can use that as well. This is how you'll receive your Sphero Bolt in the nice packaging container. Inside the packaging container, you should find the bolt unit, the charging port and stand, as well as a USB charger. Please return the bolt the same way you found it, placing the bolt itself, the charging port, and the USB cord into the container. Thank you for watching this Getting to Know You video on the Sphero Bolt. If you'd like to check out the Sphero Bolt, please contact your DIS. And be sure to follow us and like all our social media outlets. Thank you.